Alright, welcome to Conduit Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can align text in Excel mobile app. Okay, even if you are using the desktop version of Excel, this video can still put you through on how you can do that, because the align text alignment command is found inside the same tab, which is the home tab. So let's get started. I will access Excel app. I like using the final search, so I'll tap Excel this side, then tap on it. Okay, this shows something I've created already, but let me work with a fresh blank document. So you know what I did here? Tap on the plus sign at the top right. Okay, select blank workbook. Okay, let me create something inside these cells to explain this text alignment I want to discuss here fully. Okay, so let me expand these cells, the rows, sorry, the colors. Okay, now let's say I have here beans, I have here rice. I like using food for my samples. Maybe I like food, I can tell. I can have here beets. Okay, can have here fish. We should have food them delicious meals, you know. Okay, what are the potato, that's log. Okay, let's say yam. Okay, alright. I want to use these words to explain this topic. So here, so the first thing is to select the cell that contains the text you want to align differently. So tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow at the bottom right, the arrow icon. Alright, it has shown some commands under home tab. As under font, after font color is some text alignment commands. Okay, so I can decide to choose the different alignments. Maybe to align this left, I can tap on this, which is chosen by default. It's already aligned, you know. So I can decide, okay, let me align center. Tap on the center alignment. You can see the text has been changed to center. Okay, I can decide, okay, let me align the meat right. Can tap here, right alignment. Okay, I can decide, okay, let me still choose another alignment by going with this. Let's move it a little bit up. I can stay here. Let me expand this so that you feel this change that I'm talking about here. Okay, drag it. Okay, let me expand the row. Okay, this helps you understand this last explanation I did. Okay, alright. Okay, this, let's go with this. You can see I've taken it off. This takes it by the other side. So this takes it up as well. So these are just the few steps you have to take to align text you have in your Excel mobile app differently. Even the desktop version is still the same thing. As I said before, the command for that is on the home tab. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments if possible. Thank you and stay good.